just finished getting ready, that's a full face of makeup, for my Get Paid to Race workshop that's happening this afternoon. I'm really excited to head to the Estoril circuit, and I'm fully prepped and weirdly not nervous. Like, I thought I'd be a little bit anxious about this thing, you know, knowing what I'm like and knowing that imposter syndrome sometimes creeps in, but the fact that I've got so much confidence on this topic makes such a difference. So I'm actually really excited, and I'm bubbling with a little bit of nervousness, but not anxious. First Get Paid to Race workshop, and it was amazing. Everyone was asking tons of questions. We went through so much stuff in the workbooks as well that so I think everyone's learnt a lot, and I sold out of books as well, so that's really nice. I can't wait to do more of these. I'm so buzzed right now. Right now I'm just having some relaxed time here at Estoril, and I'm just enjoying the race cars. There's not any work for me to do right now, so I'm just taking pictures, really enjoying myself. There are some incredible machines here. So there's the TCR cars, which obviously I love. The beautiful Kia Picanto GT Cup are here, and you know I love a hot hatch, so I'm really excited to actually see those race later. But I'm in heaven because there are classic Porsches here too, and you all know that's like my favourite race car. Maybe going back to the old Turn 8 racing days, reminds me what it was like to be a team boss. I've been like hanging out on the pit wall and just pretending I'm in charge for a while, which is obviously where I'm my happiest. Now that my workshop's over and I'm having some race car time, you can see Estoril circuit, the paddock and the track behind me. Now that all that's kind of done, I want to talk about how you can develop your brand, because in these vlogs I like to give some kind of helpful advice, so you're not just watching me swan around the world and looking at pictures of race cars, which I'm sure is interesting, especially the race cars, but I want to give helpful advice as well. So I want you to think about what makes you stand out, and this was kind of the theme of yesterday's workshop. What makes you special and different to all of the other racing drivers out there? if you're pitching to people for sponsorship, then it's likely that the people around you are doing the same. So how do you stand out, or how could you stand out from the other drivers in your paddock? So that's something I want you to think about. And if you want to brainstorm some ideas, head on over to the Racing Mentor sponsorship community on Facebook, and I'll be happy to kind of throw around some ideas with you. So I've watched back over some of my videos, and I realise now that I look as tired as I feel. I drank way too much coffee yesterday, which seems to be a theme for me. So I drink too much coffee, especially in Europe where coffee is amazing. Drank too much, didn't sleep, and now with like minimal makeup on, yeah, I look great. So enjoy this for the rest of this vlog here at lovely, cloudy Estoril.